I'm a pretty handy guy, so I prefer to do all my own work. My latest project was this 24-foot by 10-foot Twin V patio cover. It's my first and only patio cover of any type. It was a really big job, and here's why. I installed this cover on a toy hauler fifth wheel RV. Because it's a toy hauler, it's 12 feet tall. This means the recommended 2 6-foot ladders is not even close. I needed 2, a minimum, 8-foot ladders. 10-foot would have been much better. My patio is fenced in. While I was able to get the cover installed, it would have been much easier if this 6-foot fence was not there. I needed 1 full day working by myself to assemble the front fascia and build and attach the 4 support posts to the front fascia. None of the hardware is pre-drilled, so I had to measure again, and drill everything, then bolt it together. I strongly recommend having at least 3 adults to help you raise the supports and front fascia assembly while attaching the first 2 roof panels. This is one of a number of important steps and is made much simpler if you have enough help, so you can start with a square assembly. This will simplify attaching the rest of the roof panels. The bigger your patio cover, the more important this is. The instructions say to measure and mark every 12 inches on the front fascia and the hanging channel. This is another important step. Do yourself a favor and pay close attention that the roof panels line up with these critical lines. To go along with the 12-inch lines, the instructions also say attach the flashings as you go. Do this. It will save lots of time later. Remember to caulk all the screws before you cover them up with the flashings. Depending on how big your patio cover is, it could take up to 3 people to connect the roof panels together, 1 on each end and 1 in the center. It can be done with fewer, but it's faster and simpler with 3. Plan ahead, line up your helpers, read the instructions all the way through at least twice before starting this project. Have the instructions handy, maybe even have someone whose only job it is to read each step before you do it. Good luck and enjoy your new patio cover.